Hey everyone, welcome to Shima Flow Yoga. I'm Jodi, and today I'm going to talk about and review Natural Shiljait. So if you found this video, I'm sure you've been hearing about it. It's all the rage these days, and for good reason. There are so many benefits packed in this little jar of sticky resin. So I'm going to give you my personal experience with Shilajit to help better inform you and help you make your decision on whether or not Shilajit might be right for you. So as I mentioned, Shilajit is a naturally occurring substance. It's a sticky resin found in the Altai Mountains. It is used in Ayurveda and has been for years, and it's known as nature's multivitamin because it contains over 85 substances and minerals, including vitamins A, your B complex, C, minerals such as iron, zinc, and magnesium. And it contains fulvic acid. You might be hearing about fulvic acid a lot lately. Fulvic acid helps our body absorb the nutrients better so we can cleanse the body of toxins, of chemicals, of harmful compounds that can really affect our health negatively. Shilajit also supports natural aging. It increases your metabolism, it improves digestion, and it strengthens your bones. And studies have shown that Shilajit can help with Alzheimer's. And that one really hit home for me because I recently lost both my parents in the last few months, my mom specifically to Alzheimer's, my dad to dementia. So this one was really important to me. Shilajit is also used in spiritual traditions. So if you're into the chakras, we have 7 chakras located along the spine. Shilajit is known to help cleanse the chakras. Shilajit detoxes your body naturally, right? It boosts your vitality. It combats aging at the cellular level. Your productivity, mood, focus, energy are all elevated. And the best part for me, the best benefit of Shilajit, or one of the best, I have 2. I'll get to the next one in a second. The first one is sleep. Shilajit has improved my sleep so much. It's been seriously a game changer. My sleep is almost at 100%, except I have 3 dogs, 2 of which sleep in my bed, 1 of which gets hot at night and jumps off the bed, but is too little to jump back on. So he tap dances around. You guys know Bruno, right? You remember Bruno from my videos? He tap dances around. I gotta scoop him up, put him back on the bed. He does it again. He does it again. So maybe anywhere from 2 to 5 times every night. That's waking me up. Other than that, I'm sleeping very soundly in between those events. So Shilajit has really helped with my sleep. My second favorite thing about Shilajit, and it's not second, it's equal to sleep. I stopped drinking alcohol, and when I did that, my sugar cravings skyrocketed. And you can relate if you have a sweet tooth. So I started taking Shilajit every single morning, and within 2 weeks, I noticed a significant change in my sugar cravings, and now my sugar cravings are gone. So again, game changer for me as far as craving sugar and getting the best sleep, which were 2 of the biggest obstacles that I had in my life, have really been affected by Shilajit. So it's very important that we find a company that is going to be reputable, that's going to be selling the real deal, and that you're knowing what you're getting. So this is why I chose Natural Shiljait. If you go to their website, they have lab testing of all their Shilajit, and it's very transparent. They put it out there for you to see, so you know exactly what you're getting. Read the testimonials, read the story about the owner. They really care about their customers, and I think that is so, so important. The other thing I like is they offer it in 3 different ways. So the first way, that is the way I take it, that I'm going to show you, is the resin. Okay, it comes in a really nice container. It's very sturdy. It has a little scooper for measuring. A little goes a long way. So if you can see, it's a very shiny black resin. It's very sticky. It's not going to fall out. You take just a little scoop of it. I dissolve it in my coffee. Does not change the taste. You can put it in your tea. You can put it, it's got to be in hot water because it needs to dissolve. If you just put it in hot water, it's very mild. It's very earthy. I mean, it comes from the mountains. It comes from the earth. So kind of think about you know, what that might smell like, what that might taste like, and that's what it's going to be. It's not overpowering, it's not disgusting, it's mild, okay? So this is one option. Another option is honey sticks. It's the honey and the Shilajit. You literally just snip it off. I'm vegan, so I don't do honey, but so I haven't tried the honey sticks. Christian's tried the honey sticks. He loves them. They're perfect for him. I'd show them to you, but they're gone. They're gone already. What can I say? So the honey sticks, you cut them off. You take a very, very easy, or veggie caps, maybe even easier for some of you. I hate taking pills. I won't take the veggie caps, but if you don't mind taking pills, there is another option. So with all that being said, I have a 10% off discount link that I posted below. You can click on that. You can use also my discount code JS, Jodi Shimabukuro. That's my code, 10% off. And on top of that, they offer a 2-week money back guarantee, right? 100% customer satisfaction all across the board. If you're not satisfied, just reach out to them, okay? And they'll take care of whatever you need. So I hope you found this review helpful. I hope that this helped you make a decision on whether or not you want to try Shilajit. And if you try it from naturalshiljait.com. And if it helps you as much as it helped me, and I really hope it does, please reach out and let me know how it's helped you, because I really would love to hear your story. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you very soon.